Hi, this is a demonstration of a prototype I'm working on called Tricks. It's a dashboard built in Drupal. The widgets on the front end are content types with configurable API settings, which then access an API layer built within this Drupal site, which then consumes external APIs. Now the reason I built it like that is because I can consume lots of different APIs and then standardize the JSON output from those APIs, so when being accessed through the JavaScript for the widgets, it's actually quite simple and easy to use. So if I go now to view the dashboard, you can see all the things that is hooked into. So it's using Gmail. Now what I'm going to do is it updates every 60 seconds, so I've just deleted that test unread email, and while I'm talking that will disappear. So it's accessing the Gmail API, it's accessing a weather API, it's accessing StatusCake to tell me if any of my websites are online, it's accessing my Google Calendar to tell me what's coming up today, it's accessing Ghost Inspector, which browser tests some of my web pages for content, so that tells me that the web pages look correct. It's got international clocks. It's got commando.io, which is a deployment platform that I use. Essentially, the way that this is built, it can consume any API. These are just some of the APIs that I wanted to use, and it's quite extendable. Now, you can see that it's just updated and removed the Gmail. Now, in addition to this, another interesting thing that I built, I wanted to put this into Fire TV. So I built a wrapper in Java, Android for Fire TV. Hardest thing with that was to disable the screen switching off, but I've now got a wrapper built that does that, so you can essentially have this on a Fire TV permanently and it updates every 60 seconds. One other nice thing that I thought would be good to have on there is have the ability to throw up a video. So what I've done here, you can see I can go in and I can put in a video and say that it hasn't been viewed. Now if I take this off screen and save it, you'll see on the demo screen that you can see, a video will magically pop up and start playing. And on the other screen, if I change something to stop and hit save, you can see it disappears again. Now in a demo like this, that's not overly great, but when you're throwing this up to a TV, it's actually quite a nice thing to be able to do. And that's about it for now. More to follow, but yeah, getting it to work on the Fire TV was the tricky bit, and updating it to use Node.js will be my next task. Thanks.